Hi everybody, welcome to Paper Wishes Weekly Webisodes. I'm Lene Gehrig, and today from our friends at Hunkydory Crafts, we have the Window to the Heart Wonderful Wishes Concept Card Kit. Guys, these cards are so beautiful. They look like this, and you open them up, a tunnel card here with a little poem here that you can add. My friend Debbie's embellished this with some Dazzle stickers, so pretty and lacy. Guys, this is our giveaway card for this episode, so if you stick around, you'll learn how one Lakey viewer can win this card to keep or share with a friend. So come play with us. So on the outside of this card, Debbie added some of our fancy white border Dazzle stickers. They're really beautiful and elegant. She added them here and here. And then these little stickers right here are from the We're Together Dazzle stickers. I've got them kind of buried here. Here we are. And they come in all these different colors in this pack, and she used the white ones, saying lots of hugs. And then when you open this up, she added more of these fancy border Dazzle stickers here and here. So you guys, this is our giveaway card for this episode, and how that works is we're trying to promote our Paper Wishes YouTube channel. So if you're watching us on our Paper Wishes webisode channel at paperwishes.com, just look down below the video and you'll see a YouTube icon there. If you click on that, it'll take you on over to YouTube. We ask that you subscribe to YouTube if you're not yet, and then subscribe to our channel, okay? And then at Paper Wishes on YouTube, subscribe to that channel, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment. And then after about a week, we'll reply, congratulations, YouTube username. Okay, that's your own unique YouTube username of one viewer, and give them instructions on how to claim their card. So you do have to know your YouTube username, and that's the name that pops up when you leave a comment. So just go back and read your comment. You'll know your username. Hit that notification bell, because we do a contest every Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday videos. You would have to participate in each one separately. And we do about 6 videos a week, and you don't want to miss all of those, okay? So yeah, this is our giveaway card, and let's make this card together. All right, so these are so fun and easy to put together. So this one right here, you guys, this is the outside, okay, of this card. See, that's this one right here. And then this piece right here with this centerpiece, we're just going to pop this out. Now this isn't meant to be used with this tunnel card, but Debbie gives us lots of ways to use this with the cards coming up, so stay tuned. All right, so we're just going to set this aside. It's like a little bonus piece. So the first thing we're going to do is take and go over all of these score lines, you guys. They're already ready to go. You just need to fold them. So we're going to take those lines that are scored, and we're just going to fold on these like that. And then this one, just going to fold it back and forth. Make sure that's scored. It is scored. Make sure it's folded like this. Okay, so this one is ready to go. And then on this one, we're going to kind of push everything forward on these side flaps. The side flaps go in like this. And then this center one, there is a little score line at the top and the bottom. It's going to go like this. And this is just going to fold forward. So that's what you're looking at with the one with the window in it. Okay. So for this one, we're going to turn this upside down. Okay. And it's going like this. I like to just fold all of these in all the directions, and that way, it's a card. It has flaps. We want it to fold easily. This little poetry part, we're going to put right on the inside, right there. Okay. And then with this one, you can tape or glue it. I'm just going to go ahead and tape it, because we recommend tape for all the other layers, because this is glossy cardstock, and gluing glossy cardstock to glossy cardstock is a little tricky. It can peel away, but if you use the double stick tape, it's nice and secure. And I'll link this down below the video. This is the tear tape kind. Come on, peel off. There we go. I filed my nails a little bit too short last night. All right, so let's get rid of those. And this one we're just going to place, you want it to have them between the folds. So oops, it's not interfering. Okay, just like that. And then this one, you guys, is going to just get taped right over the top of these, okay? Really, really simple. So we're gonna take this and do a little bit more taping here and here. Now you can glue this because this is like a buff paper. It's not glossy, and this is a buff paper too. So you can absolutely do that. It's only when you're taping glossy to glossy that we recommend using tape. But I'm just being quick about it because I don't want the glue to have to dry. Forgot to burnish these. Here we go. All right, and now you're just going to take this side and you're just going to align it with the edges on this side. Like that. And then same on this side. Like that. And then this is just going to get folded like this. And my paper here is sticking out a little bit too high. So I'm just going to trim that. There we go. All right, and then it's just going to open just like that, a lovely tunnel card. At this point, Debbie added her Dazzle stickers along the edges here and decorated the front. And then this just fits right into the envelope that's included so nicely. All right, so that's the basic way to make these. Let me show you some other things that Debbie made. So on this one, let's look at this. Remember that topper that you didn't need to use? She made a completely different card layout. Really beautiful. Let me show you how she did this. So we know what this is right here. And then this one, we're once again doing this one and putting it on the blank side. And this one's going to go right here. This one, she just popped this one out right here. Okay, and then you guys, this is so fun. She just took this and she cut this in half. Here's my scissors. I just had them. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm just gonna have to do it like this. She cut it like this. Use big scissors. I can't find my big scissors. Like this. And then you guys, she just went ahead and she cut this part off right here. I'm just gonna fold it out of the way. Ooh, that was a terrible fold. Like this. All right, so you would just normally cut that off if you could find your big scissors. And then she just glued just this part right here to each side. So it had this cute little frame. And then closed up her card. Well, first of all, embellished it here with some fantastic little gold border dazzles. These are our oval, jewel border dazzle stickers. And they have this cute little oval shape, if you can see on them. It's like an oval circle, oval circle. She put those down on the sides, closed it like a gatefold. Then right here, you guys, she used more Greetings Dazzle stickers. It comes in a pack like this with all these colors, and she used the gold one. You can see she cut it in half, so it says congrat, and then ulations on the other sides, more Dazzle stickers, and then she foam taped that little bonus piece right there. So it's an entirely different card layout. I love that. Okay, next. This one's awesome too. All right, so this one, you guys, with the little bird, once again, using the little frame, this inside little piece right here, because remember, these separate. Let me grab this one. These just separate just like this. So for this one, Debbie took, I'll show you the inside of this. So cute, right? So for this one, Debbie took what would be the back of the card, or the blank back side of her card, like this, okay? And then on the inside on this one, she took this one right here and she punched out the bird part, but left the frame part. It's killing me that I cannot find my scissors. Let's see. So we can go ahead and take this part out too. And then, you guys, she cut these frames off. These, not frames, these borders off. And as I mentioned, these scissors are completely insufficient for what I'm doing here. These are big scissors, you guys. All right, she cut both of these off. And then she glued this down right here. She took the little cute little greeting, or the poem, cut this down, put it right here, and then glued this on top of it, just like that. So cute. Remember, this part is gone. Then on the outside, look what she did here. She took the white background of this card back and she inked it here and here with peachy ink and little applicator. Then she took what was left from here and she cut these little squares. These squares are 2 5/8 inch square. And she put one here and then one down here. So she took this one, put it here. This one goes down here. This is peach that she colored. These squares, put a peach square here, a peach square here. Then she took a little bit more peach and she put it on this blank white centerpiece that doesn't have anything glued to it. And then she foam taped these two pieces there. Then when you open this up, you see the inside of this, and then she's given this great decoration to the outside of that, just kind of using the scraps. I love that. She did a fantastic job. The corner embellishments here that you see are from these peel-off corner stickers. They come in a whole set like this, and she used these here and the corners here. Here's the little bird that was left over from this. She cut that out and added it. So cute. And then for her greeting, just because, whoops, we went back to the more greeting dazzle stickers in the gold. Fantastic. All right, I have one more idea for you. This is a 5th bonus. So for this one, you guys, look at that. On the little instruction sheet that comes with the kit, Hunkydory gave you this idea of just making this a spinner, which is so cute. Love that. So what Debbie did for this one is she made the tunnel card just as the instructions showed you, okay? And then right here, she added that little, this little poem piece. And she just cut it to just the exact size as this panel, and she just used that foil edge and just set it right inside the foil edge. Now, to make this spinner card, you actually need both of the evacuated little label pieces from both of these Happy Birthday pink layers, okay? And then you just take on the back, she taped just a little bit of twine, and she taped it at the top, and she taped it at the bottom, just using like Scotch tape. And then she took 2 of these and she sandwiched them together over that twine. And then that's how she got this double-sided little spinny thing. Isn't that cute? Debbie's awesome. All right, you guys, so many card ideas. Oh, I should mention, this is the only one that does not fit in the envelope, okay? Because it sticks out like this. So this is a hand deliver situation on this one. Okay, so let me see if I've got all of these cards. And my desk is a mess. Somewhere in here, oh, found the big scissors buried under there. So you guys, yeah, look at all these fantastic card ideas that Debbie made. I guess there's 4 card ideas. I thought there were 5. 4 card ideas. Get all my stuff out of the way. So this is a fantastic deal. We have on this side, we have our money saver. Definitely check that out. All of these cards, fun to make. You want to just go with the basic design, or Debbie gave you all these different alternatives, which I think is fantastic. All the items are listed down below if you're interested in the kit or the Dazzle stickers, everything that we use down below. If you're watching us on YouTube, hi, it'd be great if you would subscribe to our channel. It helps our small company grow. But if you're looking for the link for how to get to this Paper Wishes webisode at paperwishes.com, just look below the video in the description box and you'll find a link that'll take you there. Thanks for joining me today, you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.